Hello everyone, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to your online classes. Stay home, stay safe. I hope you all are safe all students. So first of all, we are starting here our maths lecture. Before starting our maths lecture, students, we first of all, what we see daily? First of all, we see here daily quote, means today's quote. So now let's see here what is today's quote. All power is within. What? All power is within. We have a power with a in our body. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Means what? All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Okay, it means what? You have a power to do anything or do something, do everything. You must be do something. All of you understood? Now we move on. What we have done in previous sessions, I hope you remember what we have done in previous lecture. We have done in previous lecture using a bar model for problem solving. Already we learned this topic. Again today we are going to discuss and do the revision on using a bar models for problem solving. In last lecture we have do the revision of previous lecture, then the using a bar model. What is a bar model? Is a form of the box for problem solving. Addition models, subtraction model and comparison model. Understood all students? Using a bar models for a problem solving, addition model, subtraction model and comparison model. It means addition model means we have to add something. Subtraction means subtract something, and comparison we have compare that to a sum or as a form of the model. Got my point all students? This is all things we are learn in last lectures. Okay, so now students we move on. What we are going to learn. Today we are going to learn students of revision of last session, means what we have done in last sessions, and today again we are revise this all topic using a bar model for problem solving. What? Using a bar model for problem solving, then after addition model, then after subtraction model, and then after comparison model. I hope you all are understood. This is your all things. Understood all students? First of all, we do the revision of previous lecture, means last lecture, then using a bar model for problem solving, then after addition model and subtraction model, and then further comparison model. Students, we all things in our sessions. Addition, okay, using a bar model for problem solving, but in first addition model what we are going to learn, what we have done. So addition model we have done two example, and again I am explaining you a addition model of example 1 and 2 by two example. Then after subtraction model, that time I am taking only one example, and then comparison, and that topic only I am take the one example. Okay, and today new topic in new question. Today we are going to on exercise number 3rd F. Okay, exercise number 3rd F, filling the details on the bar model to help you solving the question. This question is based on using a bar model for problem solving, addition model, subtraction model and comparison model. As the basis of this all further before topic, and we do the further exercise of a previous topic. Got my point all students? What I am telling you understood? What what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn fill on the details bar model to help you solve the question. It means the question is what? That addition model and problem solving, subtraction and comparison. Okay, so in exercise number 3rd F we have to do as like that. Got my point all students? We do as like that. So students, now today we are starting exercise number 3rd F. Okay, before starting any new topic or new exercise, first of all we do here the revision of last lecture and revision of these all things. revision of these all things. Understood all students? Exercise number 3rd F, before we learn and revise this all topics. So now let's see here what is a using bar model for problem solving. Sometimes you may find it difficult to decide how to solve problems. Okay, sometimes use, okay, first of all, which topic we are do and take as a revision. So here as a revision or today we are again revise this topic using a bar models for a problem solving. Sometimes you may find it difficult to decide how to solve problems. It means what? Sometimes you may find it, what we have find it difficult to decide how to solve problems. What? How to solve problems. In such cases, means such example, drawing a bar model can help. What is can help us? Our bar model help us to solving the problem. Understood? So now let's see a revision of last lecture. Okay, so topic is what? Using a bar model for problems. And in first topic is what? That here first topic is that addition model. What? Addition model. In addition model, the example number 1, we know what is the addition model. Got my point, all students? I hope you remember this all example and all topics. Addition model, example number 1. What is example number 1? The cook made some sandwiches for the picnic. What? The cook made. Okay, she is a cook. Okay, the cook made some sandwiches for the picnic, and 62 sandwiches were eaten. How many sandwiches eaten? 62 sandwiches eaten and 26 were. Okay, cook made sandwiches for the picnic and 62 sandwiches were eaten. Okay, 62 sandwiches eaten by our people of picnic. Okay, eaten by those people, and 26 were left. So how many sandwiches had the cook made? Okay, how many sandwiches cook the made? Okay, now here all things we have learned just a bit. Again, what we have to do here, we do the revision. Take care, the problem has the word. Okay, here which word is important? Take care about. The problem has the word of left. See here, this word left. Okay, 26 were left. This word is important for us. So students, how many sandwiches had the cook made? So is the left word is important, but it cannot be solved with subtraction. The sum left means we are always taking here, cannot be solved with subtraction. It means what? Here the left word is, so what we have a decide left. Okay, so we are decide here we do here the subtraction, but we are here don't do the subtraction. Here see now, read, but it cannot be solved with subtraction. So read this topic, what we are learn here, addition model. So we do here the only addition. Subtractions, left means we have a idea whenever left word is come, so what we do at the time we do the subtract, but here no need to doing the subtraction. Got my point, all students? So now as a help of bar model, it's called bar model. What? It's called what? Bar model. Total sandwich made. The total sandwich made. This total sandwich made by cook. Okay, so here strength of total sandwich, we don't know how many total sandwich made it. She made it, we don't know, but we know 26 is left and 62 eaten. So that's data we have enough to solve the problems. Okay, so as a bar model we draw the first bar model and then we write in details total sandwich is made, and then we write the 62 eaten and 26 left. Understood? There we write the 62 eaten and 26 left. So we write as like that, total sandwich is made, 62 eaten and 26 left. So how many we do the here addition? 62 plus 26. 62 plus 26. So one by one we go the going through the what step by step we are go. So 6 plus 2, do with your finger 6, 7 or 8. So we write as answer 8. Then further 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2, so how many all students? 8. Got my point all students? That's why what here? 88. So eaten sandwich and left sandwich, how many? 88. So we can write as like that, the cook had made 88 sandwich for the picnic. What is the question? How many sandwich had the cook made? Understood? The cook had made 88 sandwich for the picnic. Okay, now here some instructions, read and I explain you. The bar shows the total number of sandwich made. The bar shows total number of sandwiches made. The shows that we have to find the total number of sandwiches. The shows that we have to find the total number. Okay, this you can see here, this question mark. This question mark shows to find the total number sandwich, because of here eaten number is rot and here left number is rots. That's why we have to find this question mark 2 digit. Understood all students? So find the total number of sandwiches made. Now the same bar model show that of the all sandwiches made, 62 were eaten and 26 were left. The model shows us that 62 plus 26 will give us the total number of sandwiches made. Understood? This is your basic information we have to do in this sum. Okay, so we have no need to write this all information. We have to write only this example in your book. Got my point all students? Now we move on. Second example of what? Second example of gardener. Second example of gardener. Example of gardener, but example of which? Addition example. Okay, addition model or example of addition model. So the gardener planted 47 saplings on Monday. How many saplings on Monday? 47 on Monday. He planted 50 more than that on Tuesday. How many saplings did he plant on Tuesday? Got my point all students? The gardener planted 47 saplings on Monday and he planted 15 more than that on Tuesday. How many saplings did he plant on Tuesday? The problem has the word more than, but it is not a comparison sum. What here they clarify to us? What? The problem has the word more than. So what to do? More than. So we have a compare how many he sapling, how many planted on Monday and how many planted on Tuesday. Is this comparison? More than means comparison, but it's not a comparison sum. Okay, now see, first read the instructions here. The bar model first show the number of sapling planted. See here, Monday 47 planted is sapling planted on Monday. Next we attach one more smaller bar to show the extra number of sapling plant on Tuesday. See here, Monday sapling planted 47 on Monday, and we draw here the small box and we write there 15. 15 what? But Tuesday sapling plant on Tuesday. Got my point? So now what to do here? We do here the addition, not a subtraction or not a comparison. We do here the addition, because of here that more than words, but it's not comparison sums, and we do not a subtraction. How can it possible? So explain you. 47 minus 15. So we know, so more than that Tuesday, we know did he planted on Tuesday. Got my point? So here 47 plus 15. 47 means 47 plus 15. Got my point all students? 47 plus 15. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. So how many all students? 2 here and 1 as a hidden form of the carry. Hide, it means hide. 1 is hide there. Okay, so 7 5 means 7 5 is equal to how many? 12. So 2 here and as a 1 as a form of the carry. Okay, and then after we do the next step. So 1 2 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, so how many also done? 6. How many? 6. So answer is what? The gardener planted 62 sapling on Tuesday. What? More than to Monday to more than 62. The gardener planted. Question is what? How many sapling did he planted on Tuesday? The gardener planted 62 sapling on Tuesday. Got my point, all students? Now we move on the subtraction model. What? We are move on the subtraction model. So here let's do the solve the subtraction model. Okay, students, this instruction is not useful for us. Okay, so no need to write, or no need to, I'll explain. So okay, I cannot explain you. Okay, subtraction model, example number 1 of subtraction model in example number 1. Let's check here what is the question and understand the problem. There are 45 flowers in all in a bouquet. 27 of there are roses, the rest are asters. How many asters are there in a bouquet? So there are 45 flowers in all in bouquet, and 27 these are roses. Means 45 flowers in bucket, and 27 these are roses. So rest of asters, how many asters are there in the bucket? Okay, bouquet. Got my point? So now first of all I'll read here the instructions. The bar shows that total number of flowers in bucket. Here this first bar, it's called bar model. So first bar is what shown us to total flowers 45. Okay, in bucket is how many flowers? 45 into 45, 27 are roses. See here, these roses flowers are 27. And asters flower, a name of flower, a star, a shape of as like stars. Stars are how many we don't know. Okay, total 45 flowers into 27 are roses. So we do here the subtraction because of that time, because of we know. Okay, total flowers is 45 into 27 is rose. So 45 minus 27. So we don't know. That time we know. Okay, first of all we don't know, but after the solve problem we know 45 minus 27. So we know the how many asters are there in bucket. Understood? So we know that 27 of the 45 flowers are roses. So we show the part of the bar to represent the number of roses. What? We know that 27 of the 45 flowers are roses. So we show part of the bar to represent the number of roses. Got my point, all students? The rest of the bar will be asters. What? The rest of the bar will be asters. 45 minus 27 will give us the number of asters in bucket. 45 minus 27 will give us the number of asters in the bucket. So we do here the subtraction. 45 minus 27, 5 minus 7. So what to do that time? We take the borrow, put the 10 plus this 5. 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7. So how many also do in your book? 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. And then we cut the further digit. We cut here 4 and put the small digit 3. Okay. We cut the 4 and put the small digit 3, and 3 minus this 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 45 minus 27. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So answer is what? 18. So there are 18 asters in the bouquet. We know 27. See, now how can we check our answer? 27 is rose and our answer is what? 18. 18 is aster. So we write the answer is what? Come 45. Cross checking. It's called what? Cross checking. Got my point, all students? Now let's move on next topic. Means what? Comparison model. What is a comparison model? I hope you all are understood. What is a comparison model? The comparison model means here we have to compare something. Example number 2. Susmita has 2 album of sticker. Susmita has C students here. She has a album 1 and 2 albums. She has 2 albums. When we are comparing the quantities, we need 2 bar. What? First of all, read here the instructions all. When we are comparing quantities, means number of strength. Okay, how many albums are here, all students? How many albums she has? She has 2 albums. At a time when we are comparing the quantities, we are need 2 bars, so 1 and 2 bar. Got my points? So first of all, read the instructions, means read the question and understand the problem. So Susmita has 2 album of sticker. Album A has 53 sticker. Okay, album A has how many sticker, all students? 53 sticker. And album B has 41 sticker. Album B has how many sticker? 51 stickers. And how many more stickers are there in album A? So what to do here? What we are going to do here, we are find here the how many more stickers are there in album. Got my points? Read these instructions first. The first bar show the numbers of sticker in a album A. Then after, the second bar is a shorter bar as is a show that album B has a favor stickers. The difference in the length of the 2 bars show how many more sticker in album A. It means what? Now first bar show the number of sticker album A. See here, we draw the 2 models, bar model. First of all, album A for 1 model and album B for model 2. Okay, so album A, model A stickers, what we have write that time, bar show that number of stickers album A. Understood? Then the second bar is shorter bar as a show that album B. See here, write the album B and here album A. 53 sticker and album B 41 sticker show as a favor sticker. The difference in the length of 2 bar show how many more ticket in more stickers in album A. Okay, so here what to do? How many more stickers in album A? We are deciding here. So that time we have to do what to do? Subtract. Okay, that time we do a subtract. So 53 minus 41. 53 minus how many also done? 53 minus 41. So we are do here the 53 minus 41. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Got my point? I hope you all are understood. The answer is what? 12. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So answer is what? 12. Answer is 12. So there are 12 more sticker in album. What? There are 12 more albums. Sorry, there are 12 more sticker in album. Understood, all students? Now this is here. Complete your revision. Now we move on exercise number 30 related to all this topic. What is the exercise number 3F? Exercise number 3F is fill in the details on the bar model to help you solve the question, because of we have learned addition model, subtraction model and comparison model. So we do perform this in exercise number 3F on the basis of this all topics. So now we move on question number 1. What is the question number 1? Let's check here. First question is what? Asmita. See here, Ashima and her sister have pulled a money to buy a gift for their mother, and Ashima give 46 rupees and her give 54 rupees. How much did gift cost? Again I'll repeat you here. Ashima and her sister have pulled a money to buy a gift to their mother. If Asima gave 46 and her sister gave 54, how much did the gift cost? Okay, cost. So first of all, here Ashima and her sister buy a gift for whom? Her mother. So both pulled a money for gift to her mother, and Ashima gave 46 rupees and her sister gave 54. So how much did, so we have to do here the addition. Total means total money. How much did the gift cost? Okay, so Asima gave how many rupees? 46, and her sister gave a 44. So we find the total cost. Now let's check here the answer, all students. So now answer is what? Answer is 1 is here, cost of the gift. Asima gave how many rupees? 46 rupees, and her sister gave 54 rupees. So now let's do here how cost of the gift. Cost of the gift is how much? Okay, so 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, so how many students? 10. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 0 and 1 is a form of carry. So 0 here and 1 carry. Then after 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, how many? 10. The answer is what? Not a 10. 100 means 100. 0 count with 0. Okay, so 100. Again I'll repeat you here. Asima gave a 46 rupees to a buying gift to her mother, and her sister gave a rupees 54. So we have addition, do the both addition, and we find the how much cost of the gift. So 46 plus 54, the answer is what? 100. The cost of the gift is how many? How much? 100 rupees. Got my point, all students? I hope you all are understood and enjoying our maths lectures. Okay, so here question number 2. Question number 2 is what, all students? Sadaf's class teachers cut the 52 strip of the paper. Strip of the paper means what? Small paper. Okay, I think you got the cheat as for a holiday, for the vacation, for the exam in second standard or first standard. I hope you remember this strip. Okay, cheat. You told as like that, sir, ma'am, I don't got the cheat. I didn't got the cheat. Cheat means that time we don't speak properly. Okay, so it's called a strip of the paper. Means paper ka piece. It means a strip of paper. Sadaf class teachers cut the 52 strip of the paper for the class bulletin board. She need 85 strip in all. How many more strip should she cut? Okay, 52 cut and she needed 85. So 85 minus 52, we do here as like that. We do here as like that. Got my point, all students? Okay, so answer is what, all students? 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. What we got answer? 33. So how can we write the answer? She cut 33 strip. She cut how many strip? 33 strip. Left to be cutted. So we write a 33. And how to check across answer? How to check across answer checking? 52 plus this answer 33. So we do with in your rough work. 52 plus 33. So how many? 85, all students. Okay, so now how can we solve this sum? 85 minus 52. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. She cut 33 strips. Okay, I hope you all are understood. Then now move on question number 3. Question number 3 is what? 36 children were at the park. How many children were at a park? Total 36 children were at the park. 12 children left. How many are still in the park? So again I'll repeat you. 36 children were at the park and 12 children left. How many are still in the park? It means what? How many are still in the park? Okay, 36 children in that park and 12 children left. So children in park, left and still there. So now check the answer. So answer number 3, children in park, total 36 and left is 12 and still there, we don't know. So what to do? 36 minus 12. How many? 36 minus 12. So 36 minus 12. So 6 minus 2 is equal to how many, all students? 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Got my point, all students? Answer is what? 24 children are there still in the park. What? 24 children are still in the park. Okay, 36 children is there in the park, 12 children is left. So total at a time 24 children are still in the park. Understood? This is your question number 3. I hope you all are understood. Now only we are here. Stop, and in next session we are going to question number 4, 5 and 6 and complete our exercise. Got my point, all students? So today we are only learn 3 questions. How many questions? 3. 1, 2 and 3. Understood, all students? Now here in next sessions we learn question number 4 and 5. You have your homework is what? All things today, all example, and this all 3 question you have write in your fair book one time. Understood, all students? Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much.